Hello everybody, my name is Ranaan from R&M Fine Chocolates. We're gonna have truffle class today. We're taking our 30 grams of cream and we're gonna take a bit of coffee and put it over the cream. We're gonna put it in the microwave for like 7 seconds and that's it. I just want the coffee to melt down. As you can see the color, we're gonna start melting our chocolate. Just stir it a bit. Remember 30 grams of cream and we're starting to stir it very slow. Slowly, now we can see that the cream disappearing inside the chocolate. Chocolate drank all the cream. Open the bag, put it inside the coffee mug, into the bag. Every time it drops, we need to get all the ganache down. Pull it very good and spin it around. And with the pencil, just push everything down. Use the scissor, cut the edge. Holding the bag close to the paper, pushing the bag, the ganache flowing out. Sprinkles, so you can use for the decorating. And you're taking the truffle, squeeze it a bit, roll it inside the chocolate, cover it over the coconut. This is the truffle we did today. Bye.